Hey guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. In this video, I am going to be reviewing GlassesUSA.com's VistaPlus contacts. Now this video is sponsored by GlassesUSA, but as always, my reviews are 100% honest and 100% my own. Timestamps are going to be in the description below. If you're looking for a specific piece of information, it's there. I got you guys. So this is my first time ever hearing of GlassesUSA, but what's really cool about them and why I decided to partner with them is that they don't have a middleman. So because they don't have that middleman, they're able to offer a lot of affordable options for you. And they have a bunch of different options. I think it's around 9,000 prescription glasses and sunglasses, and that includes in-house brands like Muse and Amelia E. And it also includes designer brands that we know and love like Ray-Ban, Gucci, Oakley, and even more. Again, because they don't have a middleman, they're able to get it very cost effective. Eyewear starts at literally only $30, and that includes basic prescription lenses. Walk, don't run. I'm definitely gonna have to try out their glasses in the future, but this is focusing on their very cost effective, super affordable contact lenses. Now my eyes are extremely sensitive, very picky, pretty much they are very bougie. At one point even AccuView Oasis daily contacts didn't work for me. I remember when Warby Parker came out with their daily contact lenses, it did not work for me at all. It felt so dry, absolutely within a few hours. So when I saw that GlassesUSA.com was gonna have their own brand, I had to try it out, obviously, because I'm not a fan of paying exorbitant costs just because my eyes are really high maintenance. So the cool thing about VistaPlus contacts is that they're FDA approved. They're endorsed by leading experts, so your eyes are going to be happy and healthy wearing these lenses. It's formulated to the highest of standards and the highest of quality. Now, one thing that was really cool when I first saw this box, which super cute by the way, when I first saw this box, I noticed that it says made with hyaluronic acid. And I'm very into skincare, and I know that hyaluronic acid is super moisturizing and amazing for your skin. If you don't already have hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine, get on it. But I was so confused. I had no idea that hyaluronic acid was also used for your eyes. It's basically this advanced technology that allows your eyes to be very moisturized and hydrated, which obviously leads to having very healthy eyes and avoiding dryness, which is the worst problem with me for contacts. These lenses also protect against UVA and UVB rays. VistaPlus lenses also reduce the irritation and dryness that your eyes experience when they have extended screen time or when they're feeling dry. What's also really awesome is that the packaging is recyclable, including the foil. It's all recyclable. Which, you know me, I'm always a huge fan of sustainability. Having things that end up going into the recycling bin versus a landfill, always a win for me. So I'm going to show you guys my first impressions of when I first wore these contacts. So obviously, wash your hands before putting your contacts in. Then you want to make sure your contact is shaped just like this before putting it in. Use one hand to open your eyelid and use your pointer finger on the other hand to put the contact in. And voila. So I've been using the contacts for a few hours now, and honestly they feel extremely comfortable. As I would say, extremely comparable to the contacts that I wear now. They are really moisturizing, and my eyes tend to lean towards the dry. They feel extremely comfortable as well. I'm actually in a winter environment right now in Atlanta, and I feel like this is definitely putting the contacts to the test, but so far they are passing it. Now, I've been wearing these contacts for 3 days now, and they feel extremely comfortable. When I looked at the price point of these contact lenses, my mind was blown because I thought that I only could be able to have this moisturizing capability on my eyes if I spent a lot of money. Sometimes I even forego wearing my contact lenses and wear my glasses instead just to save money. And if you're a little hesitant, which I totally get, I always am with things that are going into my eyes, you can do a 10-day trial for literally just $1. I'll show you how to do that real quickly on the VistaPlus page. If you do end up loving it, the actual price monthly is $32. $32. No commitment, no strings attached. That also includes free shipping and free returns. Honestly, it is a steal. I know that this is a sponsored video, but I only do sponsored videos when I'm obsessed with a product, and I am going to be doing this monthly subscription for my eyes because this is just a deal that my wallet is a huge fan of and my eyes are a huge fan of. If you're interested in doing the trial, I recommend clicking the link up at the top of the corner where you can purchase your Vista trial package for literally $1. Your eyes and wallet will thank you. So that concludes my review on the GlassesUSA.com VistaPlus lenses. Obviously, I give it a 7 out of 5 because I don't know how they formulated this comfortability for this price. I hope you found this video informational, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I always genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my face right here, and you can watch some of my other videos right here. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.
I put some vinyl aside, records of idols of mine. CSNY, Peterson, Nina Sublime. All of the Beatles and Trap, and he picking them up. Running in circles, he stuck. All of these